Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus iPhone Notes. We'll explore these two popular note-taking applications, each with distinct strengths. Notion offers a powerful, highly customizable workspace, perfect for complex projects and team collaboration. On the other hand, iPhone Notes provides a streamlined, integrated experience, ideal for quick thoughts and simple lists. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which tool best suits your personal or professional workflow. Notion stands out for its incredible power and flexibility, making it a favorite for comprehensive organization. It allows you to create custom databases, manage projects with Kanban boards, and build intricate wikis. You can embed various media, from images to videos, and utilize hundreds of templates for almost any workflow. This platform is designed for those who need a highly structured and collaborative environment, supporting everything from personal task tracking to large team projects. iPhone Notes shines in its simplicity and speed, offering an incredibly intuitive experience. It's pre-installed on all Apple devices, providing instant access for jotting down quick thoughts or creating checklists. You can easily scan documents, draw with an Apple Pencil, and even lock sensitive notes with your device's passcode. Its seamless integration across your iPhone, iPad, and Mac ensures your notes are always up to date and readily available, making it perfect for on-the-go capture. Deciding between Notion and iPhone Notes ultimately depends on your individual needs. If you require a powerful, highly customizable workspace for project management, databases, and team collaboration, Notion is likely your best fit. However, for quick, simple note-taking, seamless integration within the Apple ecosystem, and instant access, iPhone Notes excels. Many find a hybrid approach most effective, leveraging the strengths of both applications to maximize their productivity across different tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.